In Massachusetts, did you know that you may have the options to either mediate or arbitrate your injury case? Hi, my name is Neil Crowley. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer with offices in downtown Boston and in Dedham. What is mediation and arbitration? Well, mediation and arbitration are ways to settle your case out of court. Some of the complaints about the court system is that it takes too much time, it's too expensive, it's very stressful, and it's very formal. Not to mention, there's a lot of uncertainty when you go to trial. Mediation and arbitration are ways to relieve some of those factors. The main difference in Massachusetts between mediation and arbitration is that mediation is non-binding, while arbitration is binding. Mediation is a process where two sides to a conflict sit down with a person who has no interest in the case one way or another and try to work things out to everybody's satisfaction. Everybody gets to tell their side of the story. By doing that, your side gets to learn about what the other side's point of view is, as well as they learn about your point of view. The mediator, after hearing both sides of the story, is able to explain to each party the strengths and weaknesses of their own case, as well as the risks of going any further in the case or further going to trial, in an attempt to settle your case. In an arbitration, the arbitrator acts more like a judge. Still hears both sides of the story, but he renders a decision that is binding to both parties. In mediation, if the parties don't agree to a settlement, they can continue on towards trial with their cases. Arbitration, they cannot. Also, an arbitration award cannot be appealed. What are the advantages of going to mediation or arbitration? Mediation and arbitration are a faster way to resolve a case. It's also resolved in a less stressful atmosphere. They're held in a conference room with a set appointment time, as opposed to being in a courthouse when there are many other matters scheduled on at the same time, and the same date, in the same room. It is also a way to save expenses. And probably best of all, it can give you some certainty in how your case is resolved. You go to trial in a case, you could win or you could lose. With the mediation, you could at least see what your case is about, prepare yourself for the risk before going forward. Why do I tell you this? I'd like you to know that you have options when it comes to resolving your case that are more than just trial. Mediation and arbitration are a way to resolve your case. They require some analysis before you enter into them. We can help you with that analysis. This is the sort of thing that we do every day. My name is Neil Crowley. My phone number is 781-251-0555. Give me a call and I can answer your questions about mediation and arbitration. Thanks for watching.